cake, ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler. So many recipes, so many cookbooks.
Two cups of flour, 2 cups of cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Gonna whisk that together. So in another bowl, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of milk. I've already got a small can of green chilies. We're gonna add 3 beaten eggs and a stick of melted butter that supposedly has been cooled. And I'm going to break my jars and we're going to whisk this all together. Get this all mixed together. And then we're going to be pouring this in our flour mixture. Hopefully we ain't got no curdling. Now we're going to add a diced pepper. I didn't have a jalapeno, so I'm adding cowboy candy and some onions to this. I'm going to mix this all together. Pour it in a sprayed 13 by 9 inch pan, and then we're going to bake it at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes or until a tester inserted in. And you don't want to overmix this cornbread according to the recipe.